If you've seen much of my channel, you probably have noticed how I've really been enjoying making these big cube patterns and have been showing how you can do that as well. But you may not have a big cube. And if you've looked, you might have also noticed how it can get pretty pricey. Like, for example, this 12 by 12, the cheapest I found it was $90, and I was pretty happy with that price because it got a bit more expensive. Now, but instead of just calling it quits there, so I was just wanting to make this video about how you can find these big, well, digitally, how you can play with these big cubes without actually having to pay anything. In fact, if you have any dreams of touching like the 21 by 21 or whatever, these apps and this app I was wanting to feature actually has a 22 by 22 on there, something I would never dream about touching. So admittedly, they may not be as fun as the physical cubes, but it's something still pretty noteworthy, especially if you can't afford a larger big cube. So the first app I was wanting, website actually, that I was wanting to show you is alg.cubing.net. Oops. Man, I have to hold my phone sideways. Oh, I forgot my internet. Alright. Anyways, this place is really cool. What is it? Sadly, I don't think you can actually turn the cube with using your finger. You have to type it in as notations. But what I really appreciate about this website is you can actually type in algorithms and whatnot, and you can see how they work. And so I know for myself, I've shared a lot of algorithms on my YouTube channel. And so when you're curious about them, you can just type them in right here. Yeah, this is as you can see here, this is 3 by 3, so you can upgrade that up. And it actually goes up to 17 by 17. But yeah, this is where I get into my main issue with this place, and that is that when you get up to really high cubes, the stickers get all glitchy, and that won't look so great when you when you make a pattern on the cube. So you might really want to try something. Yeah, so that gets into my my next option here that I was wanting to show you, and that is Vistalgy Cubes. I'll be sharing this all down in the description as well too. So this place is really cool. Oh, I forgot. It does contain ads, so before you go into the app, make sure to turn off your internet. A lot of people complain about the ads, but I just say keep them off, and you know, you don't have to deal with them. So this app is really cool. You can actually, it doesn't have 3 by 3. Interestingly enough, it must be a copyright issue, but it's really cool. It actually goes up to 20 by 20, so that's really cool. So here on the 19 by 19, let's see here, yeah, so usually when it starts out like so, it says to click here to start. When you do that, it scrambles the cube. So instead, you'd want to hit this the 3 dots here and hit training. And there it allows you to play with the cube with it being solved. And oh, and you also have a back button here, which is really cool. So if you mess up on any algorithms, sadly, it's a little hard to do the algorithms because you have to do it with swiping and whatnot and your fingers. But if you mess up, you have a back button, which is really cool. Also, when you make the pattern, it's really nice too with how here I made this when I first got into where was it? Alright, so here when I first really got into the app, I went to town and made a whole bunch of really cool patterns here. I'm going to turn on my internet. And some really cool patterns here. and I was able to actually change up the pattern scheme. I thought that was really cool. Oh yeah, and like this one. What was it? I even had a fun time. I actually set it as my home screen. So, that was pretty cool. Anyways, so I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you enjoy this, the app. To end this video off, I was wanting to ask you this question. Do you think there's a difference between a clam chowder bread plate, maybe with cheese, and a clam chowder pizza? Feel free to leave your answer down in the description, in the comment section. If you have any other questions or thoughts about this video, the comment section is also open again. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and I really look forward to seeing your answers. Alright, take care.